What?
This fish?
Oh, not that one. This is not black bampet, it's lapad. Ah, this one also is Mr. Fasley saying, no?
No.
This one.
This one, Maya.
Oh, this one. I think this Maya. We call it Maya. Oh, this one. In Philippines, I know also Maya. And this is Lapu-Lapu.
Which one we buy?
Which one we will buy?
No. This is Maya. I don't know in Philippines English. Ah, this one.
This one,
This one. Yeah, this is a black trumpet, right? Yeah.
Discussion.
You want that one?
How many kilo?
It's still fresh, kuya?
Sister.
This one, tilapia.
Yeah, there's tilapia.
Black color.
Yeah. No, red.
This is the black. Ay, same.
See?
Yeah, that's the tilapia.
Oh my God.
You do TikTok now while we are buying fish.
Sister.
Yeah.
2 kilo less. 2 kilo maybe.
What's that? The
Black poplet. This 1 kilo, okay? Grab, sister. Brother?
Amor. Dito. This machine.
how much kg, kuya?
15.
15?
Ano yan, te?
Talakitok. Masarap yan. Sinigang or sweet and sour or what? Bili kaya ako.
فهمت ولا ما فهمت؟ علي responsible. أي حق.
Kuya, how much?
Sambo 10 kilo.
10?
Yeah.
You have much more small? Like that.
1 kilo 1 piece.
I don't like too much big. I like only like that. 2 piece.
All big one.
All big.
Okay. 2 piece 15. 2.5 kilo comes.
It's too much.
Check now only one piece 2 kilo.
It's too much, kuya. I don't...
10 dirham. Okay.
Okay.
Arriba, uno.
Oh.
Arriba, big one.
Hirap mag-vlog? Ay! Cleaning section for the fish. We are here now in meat section. Ooh. Wow, big.
This vlogger.
Of course, no, minsan lang to.
Tinatamad na naman.
Minsan lang tayo napalabas ng
Paano
lungkot.
tayo maging vlogger kung tinatamad tayo?
Oo. Tingnan mo yung another TikTokers. One vlogger and one TikTokers. Ito si content creator na ayaw mag-content. Ba't madilim na?
Ay, ba ganun? Iba ba yung mga vloggers sa content creator?
Pag vlogger, sinasabi nila, I like this. 20 lang, oh. Saan na sila? Nagmamadali na si driver.
Even every lady have driving license because the husband is stay in the home with very difficult, very difficult. I am still in the villa right now. Yeah, I will buy quickly, very quickly.
That's why Mr. Fancy don't want to go. If we will go like that market and
Yeah, something inside. She could take care of that since 3 years.
So I don't understand. I show my friend. He is medical. After he said,
Is there another Alcabay here in Garwood? Ah, near Nasmi place. We've been just 3 minutes.
you can do it, Villa.
What is this? The test is very good.
Yeah,
different.
very good.
If you can
Stop over in Alcabay to buy grilled. Ano, what is that? We will buy here. We will buy charcoal and